You want free shawarma, right? Now sit down and watch this video to the end. Not only will you be getting a free shawarma, you'll be getting new knowledge. Hey guys, welcome back to Lady B's Kitchen. Today we're making healthy beef wraps. So sit down, stay tuned, and just think of this as an ASMR. Before we go deep into the video, I'd love you to follow me on all our social media platforms and give this video a thumbs up. Most importantly, I'd like you to drop a comment on however you feel about this video. Alright lovelies, we've come to an end of today's video and I hope you learned something new today. Bye guys.